All right, Ken, we're over here. This is a pretty cool solution we just kind of talked about a few minutes ago. So this is kind of really set up for education, classrooms, and different scenarios from that perspective. Walk me through what we have over here.
Yeah, so this is the Apollo Technology Room Kit. We call it TRK1, that's for Technology Room Kit. And it's sort of a solution in a box. Whether it's a classroom like you mentioned, or a corporate training room, or even a small conference room, if you want kind of the whole solution out of one piece, look to Hall Technologies Apollo Technology Room Kit. 3 pieces, okay? So you've got the switcher right here. That takes all your HDMI, USB devices, allows you to switch those for the presentation. Audio amplifiers built into that. You can run mics into it. It's got a 40-watt amplifier in there to power speakers, which Hall does make, and we sell those too, so you can build the whole solution. But that kit comes with that central unit, and you get the input panel as well, which is where an instructor is going to be able to bring in a laptop, plug that right in, maybe some extra devices as well. And then the keypad on the wall behind you over here is also included in the kit. So you got one solution for control, for input, and for switching for the whole room.
It's not something that has to be overcomplicated, right? Because that's the big thing that people want to experience when they walk into a room. Press a button, everything just works consistently, and the experience is just overall encompassing really, really great for them.
Yeah, and here's the thing, when you think about an education environment, that may be a kind of room where a different instructor comes in at the top of every hour, right? So it's got to be quick and easy. The person's got to be able to walk in, press the on button, and the system just works. And that's the idea behind this. We've also added wireless casting into this solution here with our Ranger product on the counter here beside me, and that allows for wireless casting natively from Android, from iOS, from Miracast, straight to the box, no app to download. Or like we saw with our Odyssey product, you can also use the Voyager dongle, plug that in, and you can immediately cache. You get a screen that looks just like this, tells everybody in the room exactly how to use the system. So again, it's easy.
Yeah, easy. That's the key word.
That's the key word.
It's almost like the red easy button that everybody used to talk about years and years
That's
ago.
it.
Right?
The easy button.
There's actually a touch panel here too.
Yeah.
So is this an extra add piece to this overall room kit?
Yes,
Okay.
add on to that too. So we make our own control software. It's called Hive. This is the 10-inch Hive touch panel, and Hive comes with an app on it. It controls everything in the Hall Technology suite. And all you need to do as an integrator is come in, put the IP address of the devices in that you want to talk to. Again, very easy, and there's no programming to do, no special setup you have to do. Put the IP address in, save it, you're done. You're controlling everything in the room. And then the only thing additionally you would do is need to know the codes for your display for power on and off and volume control if you were controlling some display speakers.
Yeah, just like any other control system, right?
Exactly.
There's always a little bit of setup to it.
Yep.
And I want to reiterate that in stock.
Everything you see that we've talked about here, brand new and in stock and shipping, and you can see it all at halltechav.com.